Good morning, children. Joyadash here. Today, it will be the last part of 6.4 of chapter 6, Triangles and its properties. Question number 4 we will do today. It is again a proving sum. The question is, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? What is the question? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. We have to find out it, or we have to prove it. Now, proof. As the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, this property we have to use here. So before going to the sum, I am writing this property. As we know that sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC because it is the third side. AB plus BC is greater than AC. I am taking it is equation number 1. AB plus BC greater than AC. In triangle BCD, now BCD, now I am taking this triangle. Here also BC plus DC greater than DB. BC plus DC greater than BD. We are taking it as equation 2. Next ADC. ADC, this triangle. ADC, AD plus DC greater than AC. AD plus DC greater than AC. Equation number 3. Now another triangle ABD. ABD. AB plus AD greater than BD. AB plus AD greater than BD. It is equation 4. Now what we will do? We will add this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means this left side portion I will add in the left side, and the right side portion I will add in the right side. The greater than sign will be there. Now adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get AB. See, it is AB plus BC, AB plus BC, then BC plus DC, then AD plus DC, then AB plus AD. Greater than sign, then AC, BD, AC, BD. Now what I have seen that AB is here, another AB is here. So 2AB, BC is here, BC is here, 2BC, DC, DC, 2DC, AD, AD, 2AD. Greater than, here AC, AC 2 times, so 2AC, BD, BD 2 times, 2BD. Taking 2 as common, it is taking outside, so everywhere 2 is there, so 2 I am taking outside. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is greater than, here also 2 is outside, so 2 AC plus BD. Now 2 I can cancel here. Now what is left? AB plus BC plus CD plus AD or DA is greater than AC plus BD. DA or AD is greater than AC plus BD. What was our question only? See, the question was AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC or BD. We have to find out it. What we have already get here, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is greater than AC plus BD. Proved. Try to understand this. It is same as previous days question number 3 sums we have done. It is same as question number 3, but it is quadrilateral and there it was only triangle. Next question is question number 6. 5 we will not do. No need to do 5. I am cancelling it. Now question number 6. The lengths of the two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should the lengths of the third side fall? That means what will be the measurement of third side, possible length of the third side. You have to find out the possible length of the third side of the triangle, where one side is 12 and another side is 15 centimeter. Again we have to use the property. We know that the sum of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So sum of the two sides here, 12 plus 15, 27. So the sum is 27, then third side must be less than 27 according to the property. Sum of the two side is always greater than the third side. So third side must be less than 27. Next, the difference between the given two sides, the difference between the given two sides is 3 centimeter. Means 15 centimeter minus 12 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So length of the third side could be, it will be third side difference between the two sides is 3 centimeter. So the third side must be more than 2 centimeter. More than 3 centimeter, not 2. More than 3 centimeter, less than 27 centimeter. So our answer will, the length of the third side could be any length which is greater than 3 centimeter but less than 27 centimeter. That means we have to find out the sum of these two sides and the difference of the two sides. When we will find the sum of the two sides, what the length will come, our third side will be less than that. And when we will find the difference between the two sides, the difference result will come, our third side will be more than this length. Understood? The length of the third side could be any length greater than 3 centimeter but less than 27 centimeter. I hope you all understood. Thank you, students.